today we're only making appetizers, which we're gonna cover tomato concassé on tomato bruschetta, dumplings, pork dumplings, panna coppita, the Greek filo pastry with spinach and feta cheese, and Brazilian coxinhas, which is a finger food with that pastry and chicken filling. Yes! Prepare this very awkward dough, which you need to be beaten in the pot, and then the chicken filling. Chili goes in the filling. Then we mix together with cream cheese. Because after making a little ball with this dough, we fill up with the chicken and then put in breadcrumbs and deep fry. So it's a little croquette. Looks nice. Well done.